Welcome, Nissan family. Regarding automotive maintenance, taking your car in for an oil change should be at the top of everyone's list. Regular oil changes improve your engine performance, extend its longevity, and aid your vehicle in achieving maximum gas mileage, meaning you're saving money. Clean oil ensures that your engine and your vehicle remain lubricated and perform at peak efficiency. Without regular oil changes, friction builds up in the engine, causing heat and pressure that harms its performance. Modern vehicles rely on oil and oil pressure to manage fuel efficiency, emissions, and performance. Low or dirty oil prevents these systems from functioning properly. Relying only on mileage for oil changes can lead to overdue maintenance. To avoid this, watch for warning signs that indicate it's time for an oil change. Clean oil creates a protective layer that keeps the engine quiet, preventing metal-on-metal contact. As the oil degrades, the engine gets louder, and ignoring the sounds can lead to a knocking or a hard rumbling, signaling an urgent need for an oil change. In cold weather, translucent vapor from your tailpipe is normal. However, if you see smoke, check your oil. It could indicate a leak or a faulty engine part. If the oil level is fine, have a professional diagnose the issue immediately. One of the most obvious yet often ignored signs is the oil change or check engine light. If the oil light comes on, check the level immediately and change it if necessary. If the check engine light illuminates, it may indicate a serious issue. Get your vehicle checked by a professional right away. While not the only factor, monitoring your odometer is important. Most cars need an oil change every 3,000 miles or 3 months, but newer cars may go 5,000 or 6,000 miles or 6 months. For the most accurate schedule, consult your owner's manual. A strong oil odor in the cabin, often mixed with exhaust fumes, is signs of an oil leak. This can cause serious engine damage and pose a fire risk. If you smell oil, get an oil change immediately. In conclusion, regular oil changes are vital to your vehicle's health. Visit our Nissan Alithia Spring Service Department, where we'll ensure your car is cared for with the utmost expertise.